We are here at Sully Historic Site, a hidden gem here in Fairfax County. We are the 1794 home of Richard Bland Lee, so he was Northern Virginia's first congressman. We have a lot of volunteer opportunities here throughout the spring, the summer, and the fall. That is when we really need our volunteers to really help us here at Sully Historic Site.
So we'll make an entire batch of biscuits.
We have our historic living interpreters. One of the skills that we use a lot here at Sully is 18th century cooking. So we use our original 1794 kitchen, and we make biscuits, we make pies, we make a wide variety of foods that visitors can then taste, that visitors can then experience. We have touring docents who can give tours inside the main house, and they can really point out information about all of the different objects. If you want to volunteer here at Sully and you don't have a lot of time, we offer a variety of opportunities. One of the easiest ones is helping in our garden over the summer season when we need to weed our garden, when we need to maintain our plants. Another way to get involved if you don't have a lot of time are through our special events. The best way for you to get involved is to check out our website. That gives a description of all of our volunteer opportunities that we have. So whether you're interested in volunteering year-round, or whether you're just interested in volunteering over the course of the summer, or whether you're a student looking to complete their volunteer hours, we have opportunities for you.